How to send money from PayPal to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your Binance account. So first of all, just open your Chrome browser or any other browser that you're using, and here on the search bar and just search Binance, and that will redirect you to the official website of the Binance. And after that, just log into your account, and here on the home screen on the right side of your screen, just click on wallet, and under the wallet drop down menu, just select fiat and spot. Just click on that, just wait it for load, and after that you can select any crypto that you want to make a transfer from your PayPal to Binance. For the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from your PayPal to Binance. So after that, you can see your Bitcoin crypto right here, and of the right side of the crypto field you can see the deposit button. Just click on that, and after that you have to verify your existing user account. And once you verify your account, you just have to select your network through which you can transfer the Bitcoin from your PayPal to Binance. And after that, just copy that particular address and open your PayPal. In order to make a successful transfer from your PayPal to Binance, you have to download the PayPal application on your mobile phone. And once you download the PayPal application, under the finance section, you will see all these crypto option like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. Just click on your Bitcoin, and after that just select send. And once you click on send, it will ask you to add the address that you copied from your Binance account. Just paste that address right here and just click on send. So this is how you will be able to transfer money from your PayPal account to Binance account.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.